Hi everyone. 4 books, 2 months, and that is my aim for October, November. Okay, 1.5 months for October, November, because there are these books which I have left unfinished on the way in my reading journey, which have been interesting. It's not that I don't find them interesting, but somehow I have moved on to other books, finished other books, and left this pile languishing. So I thought before it gets to December and before I start having these enormous regrets, which always happens, I should at least be one regret less. So these are the 4 books that I want to finish that I have left incomplete. 2 library books and 2 other books. So, this is called The Days I Loved You Most, written by Amy Neff. So, this book has got a very interesting premise. It's about 2 elderly people who, when the story starts, one of them has been diagnosed with a chronic illness. So, that person does not have long to live, and the other person decides that both of them together will end their lives 1 year from that date. How they convey this to their children and their journey till that day. So, this book traces all that. It is set in America in the 1940s to the present. And it's an interesting read. So, I will finish this. The Days I Loved You Most by Amy Neff. Next is this library book called Autopsy, written by Patricia Cornwell. It is a Case Carpenter series. Case Carpenter is a forensic pathologist, and there are many, many books that Patricia Cornwell has written about this character. This book is a bit slow paced, but it's interesting. So I shall finish this. Okay, book number 2. Book number 3 is Atmosphere, written by Taylor Jenkins Reid, who has written one of my all-time favorite books called Daisy Jones and the Six. So this book is called Atmosphere. It is written about this group of astronauts in the 1980s, late 1970s, early 1980s, and that group also has the first women astronauts in NASA. This is interesting. It follows this lady called Joan, who is an astronomer, and she has been chosen for that program. So that's book number 3, Atmosphere by Taylor Jenkins Reid. And now we come to the last book, which I have to finish. This again is my library book, written by Richard North Patterson. It's called Loss of Innocence. So there are these 2 women who fall in love with the same man, and how they meet and how they think of that, retrace their journeys. So these are the 4 books. These are the 4 books, 2 library books and 2 other books, which I have to finish by the end of November, and I will. If you guys have anything that you've been wanting to complete, any project, any book that you've been wanting to complete this year, get down to it before December looms and makes you regret. So at least you'll have one regret less this year. Okay? So get down to reading until we meet again for the next video. You guys stay safe, take care, keep reading. Bye bye.